them baskets on them, man. Put them baskets on them. Where's white walls? Baskets, man. That's how your old school's supposed to be. Sprayed and laid by Brown, you know what I'm saying? That's how your old school's supposed to be when it's sprayed and laid by Brown. Showroom, man. You ready? Yeah. Woo. Yo, we back with another little vlog, man. It's about 50 degrees out here. I ain't think Melrose was gonna crank up, but she did. A little of that starter fluid on that carburetor, man. She fired right on up. To pull her out. You know, it's the weekend. I told y'all, man, I'm gonna start giving y'all some footage out there on them streets. Pull this car out. I'm gonna jump back on here and I'm gonna talk to y'all about a few things. I'm gonna go get dressed. We're gonna go out for brunch, man. Brunch with Melrose. Chevrolets and coffee. Y'all ever heard a car have an attitude like Melrose? It's about to knock down my little pictures. Golly, what? Shaking the walls. So we got Melrose pulled out. Probably clean the windows. Sprinkle a little water on them. Probably go ahead for brunch. Take out for a little scroll, man. Go have some brunch today. Up there in Kissimmee, we got a little antique car show thing going on. So, might take Melrose by there, man. Yesterday, I probably ended up posting sometime last year, probably like August, September. Finally got approved, man. And where when I say they show so much love to Melrose, man, it was so many people that was telling me like, bro, you gotta start bringing out. I'm clean the way I am right now. Factor is on the baskets. Shout out to my, what we call down here, motorman, man. Shout out to my motorman, but my engine builder is what Mike calls himself. Gotta get this bucket situated. So go on ahead and get Melrose right. Cleaning Melrose and I be sliding. As soon as I make it to the little brunch spot, man, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off. And just in case somebody want to look up in here, man, Melrose is looking like that. Can't have Melrose looking like that. Got that cam chop, man. Foot still off the gas now. But man, my phone had done died while I was over there having brunch and coffee with Melrose. They're causing a whole bunch of wreckage in Kissimmee, man. Decided to drive down here to Kissimmee and see what they hitting on. Got Melrose lit up, man. Got the J's over there. Got them goddamn Crocs on. We in traffic, man. We in traffic. She camming real good. Sitting at the light with no problem. Tim sitting at 190. Voltage 14. Oil pressure running at 60, man. Looking real good out here. So right now, before I start driving, and y'all can't hear nothing I'm saying. Finna hit Old Town, man. They got that little antique little car show going on, so we gotta see what they hitting on. See what reactions I can get from Melrose and see what type of cars they got out here. Quick little pit stop over here at Waffle House, man. Y'all can see, man, we got Melrose out here lit up tonight. Camming real good. Got them opera lights showing. Backside sounding damn good, boy. Right here at the Waffle House, man. Say Melrose won't never be outside, so I had to bring her out. Stretch her legs real good. See what she hitting on, man. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Oh, man, we got Melrose out here scratching her legs today, man. Scratching her legs for real. She usually be put up in the garage, man, but we're gonna show her off today. Yes, sir. We at the Waffle House, like I said, man. We at the Waffle House. As I walk into the dance floor, guess what? I spent my gas money for no reason. Yo, man, I passed by here, man. It wasn't even, you feel me? I ain't trying to say Melrose hot shit, though, but I don't know, y'all. They had some damn 1938. Seen the El Camino over there. Well, trying to find me a little entrance way to get over there where they was, just to let them hear how Melrose sound. You know what I'm saying? But I couldn't get in. I guess I got here too late, man. But I had to pull off to the side, man. Make me a little quick little vlog, man. Let y'all know, man. Melrose traveled a couple miles today, man. Almost hit about 100 miles. Put 100 miles on Melrose today, man. When they had brunch and coffee with Melrose, I had Melrose on the side of that road, posted up, looking real good. You know what I'm saying? Got them inside lit up. Lit up. Sounding real good. Golly, boy, somebody on that roller coaster tearing up over there, boy. Screaming their ass off. Yeah, man, Melrose out here camming real good, sounding real good, shining real good. Got a dude on Facebook, man, asked me, what took you so long to build this car? 3 years, man. Well, it shouldn't take nobody 3 years to build a car. Guess what? When you take 3 years, this is how your car look. You gotta make sure that your car look immaculate like this before you put rims on it, man. You feel me? Got some dudes out here looking hokey pokey with rims, man. You can't be out here looking hokey pokey with rims, man. Your car gotta be able to stand alone just like this before you put rims on it. Feel me? The main reason why I want another box Chevy, man. Melrose look too good like this, and I get too many compliments when Melrose look like this with them baskets on them, man. Them baskets on them. Fresh white walls, baskets, man. That's how your old school's supposed to be. Sprayed and laid by Brown, you know what I'm saying? That's how your old school's supposed to be when it's sprayed and laid by Brown. Showroom, man. No wet sand or no buff. Melrose out here holding weight, man. She out here holding weight, man. You can't stop her. You can't stop her, man. Pull up at the Waffle House, use the bathroom, man. They all coming out the Waffle House to my Melrose, man. What that is, color? No, ain't no color, man. That's Capri stain, man. Straighten up your symbol, Melrose. You feel me? Y'all here representing me. Y'all here representing me. Let them folks know, man. Caprice. Caprice, man. 89 Caprice LS. Shining good, running good, sounding good. Sprayed and laid by Brown, man. Sprayed and laid by Brown. car, baby.
But my shit's so clean. The Chevy do something to my self-esteem. Alpine in the dash, and the dudes in the ass, and that wet paint shit look like glass.